The bald eagle is a magnificent and easily identified species of bird. Its body and wings are dark browns in color while the head and tail are white. The legs and feet are bright yellow and the eyes are light yellow. The bald eagle has sharp talons on its feet and large, hooked beaks. Males of this species are smaller than females. Young and sub-adults are brown in color with different degrees of white spots on the lower part of their bodies. Bald eagles inhabit a large territory, stretching from northern Mexico to the USA and Canada, thus covering the major part of North America. These birds are partially migratory, depending on location. If their territory has access to open water, the birds remain there year-round, but if the body of water freezes during the winter, making it impossible to obtain food, they migrate to the south or to the coast. During the breeding season, bald eagles occur in any kind of American wetland habitats such as seacoasts, rivers, large lakes or marshes, or other large bodies of open water with an abundance of fish. They require old-growth and mature stands of coniferous or hardwood trees for perching, roosting, and nesting. They will also nest in mangrove swamps, pinelands, seasonally flooded flatwoods, hardwood swamps, and open prairies and pastureland with scattered tall trees. While wintering, bald eagles tend to choose open habitats, such as prairies, meadows or tundra, or open forests with regular carrion access. Habits and lifestyle. Bald eagles usually lead a solitary life, gathering in groups. During nesting season, they also congregate into large roosts of up to 400 birds, and groups may also gather in areas with a sufficient amount of prey. Bald eagles are comparatively inactive during strong winds and in winters. As the breeding season comes, they vocalize and chase conspecifics, thus defending the territory. Bald eagles hunt by day alone or in groups flying along the streams, wading in the water, catching fish, and eating it right on the spot. The birds communicate with each other using weak staccato, chirping whistles, cleek kick ik, somewhat similar in cadence to a gull's call. The calls of young birds tend to be more harsh and shrill than those of adults. Bald eagles are monogamous, mating once in a lifetime or living together until one of the mates dies. Courtship displays performed by the bald eagles are impressive and spectacular. They also perform fight displays, where the birds swoop at one another. The pair conducts the nest and then, 1 to 3 months later, eggs are laid. The season of egg laying is late winter to early spring, when the female usually lays 2 eggs. Both the male and the female take part in the incubation of the eggs for 34 to 36 days. After the chicks are hatched, one of the parents is constantly with them for about 2 weeks. Then, at the age of 10 to 12 weeks, the chicks start flying. But the parents keep on feeding and protecting them for another 2 to 3 months. Eaglets become reproductively mature and start to breed when they are between 4 and 5 years of age.